this is Hank Sibley with Blue Water Yacht Sales here in Hampton, Virginia. I have the pleasure of being on one of our new 25 regulators that just came back in production. We're really excited about this model because you'll see in the video, it's such a great ride. So some of the new features on the 25 regulator is the two new 250s with the Yamaha steering, and it comes with the new autopilot built in with the Yamaha. The great thing about this boat that we ordered is the twin Garmin screens, now with the built-in regulator that shows your speed and everything as you're running. We got the new Bennett trim tabs, which gives you the automatic up and down with one push of a button, and then you can also manually adjust it wherever you want to run the boat. One of the cool things we ordered on this boat is the newer seating with the two colors. You'll see the gray and the white, and it has a diamond stitching built in. Overhead in the T-top, you have the multicolor lights, built-in overhead JL speakers that are lit up. This boat also we ordered with the Gimlux riggers with the carbon fiber poles built in. On the gunnels is the Gimlux rod holders with the built-in cup holders now, and the Fusion radio with Bluetooth and everything else you want to have great music while you're running the boat. Great features of this boat is the forward seating with the new backrest in there. You also have the macerated fish box, which is very large in the front. One of the option features we ordered on this boat is the windlass, through stem windlass. You have the switches up front at the windlass itself and right here at the helm, making it very easy to operate. This particular model, we did the 3X seating with the tackle storage underneath. You got the live well and fish box in the aft, which gives you more storage. So also after on this boat, it has the great regulator through transom doorway. Also in the cockpit is the fold down seating, which is great for riding with your passengers. You just can't beat a regulator when it comes to seating and ride. Thank you for taking the time today to watch this video. We had a great time running the boat, and please contact me or one of our great Blue Water brokers.